Should you become a barista this year, 2023? Here are 5 amazing things about baristas that you must know to help you determine if you should become a barista this year. Hi, I'm the Barista. I am a professional barista who loves sharing my coffee knowledge and experiences with you to help you become a better barista or even make a better cup of coffee with a good latte art. In this video, we're talking about becoming baristas. As the coffee industry is growing each and every day, many people are consuming more coffee. This has led to opening up of many coffee shops across the world, which has resulted to a high demand of baristas. Many people are developing the passion of becoming baristas, but it seems to be very hard for them to decide if becoming a barista is a perfect career for them. I've decided to make this video to share with you my 5 amazing things that I've experienced working as a barista in a coffee shop for 5 years. This has made me love my job working as a barista and making coffee for my customers. Before deciding if you should become a barista, here are the most basic things that you must know about baristas. Barista is a title which is under the coffee industry, which is given to a male or a female person working in a coffee shop with good knowledge on how to operate the different coffee machines and coffee equipment so that he can be able to make a good cup of coffee for the customers. Baristas are often found in coffee shop, but since the COVID pandemic hit the world, many people started brewing coffee at home and they have good knowledge on how to make a perfect cup of coffee. This has led to a rise in many people becoming home baristas, and these are people with good knowledge on how to operate the different coffee machines at home, and they can also make a good cup of coffee. Here are 5 amazing things about working as a barista that you should know to help you determine if you should become a barista this year. First thing, the first one is a coffee knowledge. When you become a barista, you're going to learn more about coffee. You can start as a junior barista with no experience, undergo training and become a senior barista, and also you can even become a head barista. It's going to give you an opportunity to learn more about coffee, how the coffee is being grown, processed, and even the best way that you can make a good cup of coffee, the different coffee origins and the different tastes. This is going to change your mindset about coffee. You will no longer see just a cup of coffee the way it is, but each cup of coffee that is being served in the coffee shop has a different story on the different coffee origin it's coming from, and the different form and the different way it's being processed, and to match the perfect taste of the consumer. The second thing about being a barista is the barista job pays well. Barista jobs are nowadays no longer seen as a part-time job for students, but it's a professional career where people can make a good living to sustain their families. With the different levels of being a barista, from a junior barista to a senior barista to a head barista, you can easily earn more money and make a good living out of working in a coffee shop. And the third thing about working as a barista, with the different knowledge you have gained as a barista, it can help you get other careers in the coffee industry, like becoming coffee roasters, people who roast coffee, or green coffee supplier, who buys the green coffees from the coffee farmer and supplies it to the coffee roaster, or becoming a certified Q grader, a person who tests and evaluates coffee, giving it the different scores so that it can be sold to the green coffee supplier. With the knowledge you've acquired working as a barista, you can easily upgrade or even managing a coffee shop. Some of the baristas will end up even owning their own coffee shops. And the fourth key thing about working as a barista, coffee shops are places where many people come to study, have meetings, or even a place where many people have their first cup of coffee on their way to work. So as a barista, serving a good cup of coffee with good customer service, it can make somebody's day great. Being a barista can help you become social. Working as a barista, you need to be social. You need to be able to talk to people, not only make their coffee, but even educate them on the different way that the coffee is being made, and also explaining to them other items that you serve in your coffee shop. It's going to help you become sociable. And the fifth key point about working as a barista, and this is the love for coffee. Being a barista, you're not only going to be a barista, but you can also share your coffee love with the different opportunities that are being provided for the baristas. Baristas today are more than just coffee servers. They can become coffee champions. Every year, there are barista competitions that are being hosted across the world, where different baristas come and compete, showing their coffee knowledge and skills. This helps you as a barista to share your coffee knowledge with the world and the different innovations that the champion baristas always show on world barista competitions. You can also become a coffee educator, teach people how the different coffees are being made, processed, roasted, and how they can make a good cup of coffee, even at home. So working as a barista can be a perfect career, and it's something that you can do with passion and earn so much being a barista. As a barista working for 5 years, I've learned so much about being a barista and working in a coffee shop. To grow and become a better barista, you need to do the following. So check out this video next. It shows you the basic things that you must do as a barista to help you to become a better barista and grow to achieve more as a barista.